Hi everyone! Hello po, mabuhay. Ayan, unbox na naman po tayo ng tangke. This is T-72 from Heng 1/16 scale, ready to run. This one is the upgraded version. Ibig sabihin steel gears, pero plastic pa lahat. Okay, all plastic, idler wheels, sprocket, tracks, road wheels, they're all plastic but steel gear. And this is already the 7.0 version. Yan, yung box niya. And let's go ahead and get the tank out. Alright, so this is the manual. Ayan, standard yan. Manual, tapos may mga accessories na rin dyan nakasama. Depende sa model ng tangke. Okay, so ito, yan o. Nandiyan yung ibang accessories, stickers. Alright. And then, let's go ahead and try to take the tank out. So, this is light. Okay, medyo magaan to since it's the upgraded version. So, we have the BB bullets. Okay, sorry, baliktad. Then, USB charger na never natin gagamitin. We're not gonna be using that at all. Their IR receiver, which has really bad reviews. Extra tracks. Accessories. Dito yung tangke sa likod. Okay, hindi ko na alam. I am not sure what the other components here are, but this is the oil tanker here. Then, these are the armors. Ayan, mga armor guys. Punong-puno ng armor tayo na maliliit. Itong T-72 natin. So, T-72 armors. Then, battery 2S with the XT60. Oil for the smoke unit. More accessories. Wow, I think this will take some time to complete. But it will be a lot of fun, diba? Ang saya magbuting-ting. Ayan, ito, tingin ko sa gulong. This is what you'll put in the wheels. Alright. Then, let's go ahead, take that off. Ito na po ang ating T-72. Wow. I like the smell. Mint condition. Saya mag-unboxing talaga. So, ayan, yung mga accessories guys sa taas nung styro na to. Magkakasama sila dyan. And then, let's take the tank out of the styrofoam. Alright, so ayan yung remote. 7.0 standard Heng controller. Okay, and then let's check it a bit further. Alright, let's check it up close. Ayan siya, makinis na makinis pa. It's still unscratched. Okay, so for all the Heng tanks, pre-painted na siya with a bit of weathering, which can still be improved by repainting the tank, or if you want, just add more weathering to it. It really depends on the model, kasi there are models that aren't accurate, hindi tama yung kulay. So, mas mainam na i-repaint siya pagka ganun. So we got plastic tracks, idler wheel, sprocket, road wheels. These are all plastic. Again, what I really like about the upgraded version is that the steels, or rather the gearbox or the gears, are made of steel. Okay. And this is the T-72 side by side with the T-90. My T-90 is repainted. It's not the standard Heng color or painting. So they're very close. Malapit lang yung size nila. And maglolo yan eh. They're grandfather and grandson. Ayan. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung kanilang similarities, especially in size. Pero pag nailagay nyo na lahat ng accessories, it will show you the I would say bigger difference between the two. Itong T-72, it has a lot more armor. Kaya maganda rin mga collection talaga. A battery compartment is one of the letdown, which I don't like about this model. Nasa ilalim pa rin yung battery access. And then on and off switch, nag-improve. Andito na siya sa likod. I'm just not sure if all the accessories are already connected, if on and off can still easily be accessed. But at least it's a lot better than where it was before. I think nasa ilalim siya before, it was underneath before. Now it's just at the back, so a lot easier, a lot of improvement from the previous version. Okay, so itong dalawa sa taas, these hatches can both be opened. This one, this is where you can put your figure. Lahat nung BB or yung BB saka yung IR receiver is on this side, on this other hatch. So dyan sila pareho. At least yung isa dedicated lang sa figure, action figure na ilalagay nyo dyan. Itong T-72, I don't think may kasama siya. Yung T-90 wala rin eh. So this is the battery, 2S 18650. It already has the balance charger, which is good, XT60, which means you can easily charge this using a smart charger or balance charger, which is very important sa hobby natin. It's very important in our hobby to have a smart or balance charger for your own safety. And one letdown, the battery compartment is small, so I highly advise to modify this. Okay, do the battery compartment mod. Just do your search on YouTube or Facebook, and you'll see a lot of folks doing the same thing, modifying the battery compartment. Since maliit siya, tapos nasa ilalim pa, so mas mainam na you modify it. And if you do that, if you modify the battery compartment, you'll also be needing to modify the tank with magnet hull. So you do research on that as well. So this is the remote control with the six AA batteries. All right, make sure it's on. All right, let's turn the smoke on. natin. Now this to change the track recoil level. Change the machine gun sound 1 and 2. Disable, enable the BB unit. Now, with the 6.0, I actually had to make a jumper in CN6, if I'm not mistaken. But this one, it can be turned on and off, or the BB unit can be turned on and off just using these two keys. Now, if your unit has the barrel recoil, if you do this, it will cycle through barrel recoil, track recoil, BB off. So, yun yung options. Now, let's try the other tank sound. And this is one part that for many, for me as well, it's a downgrade actually, because you'll only get 2 sound modules. Yung mga previous versions dun sa mga bagong kakabili lang, 4 sound modules ang meron typically. And then meron ka dong Tiger 1 sound, which is the World War II. Yun lang yung meron sa World War II sound, pero okay na rin. But now, there are only 2 sound modules for each unit. Kadalasan pa modern tanks. So, kaya sought after talaga yung lower versions like 6.0 or 6.1. Pero if you're gonna upgrade, just go for 6.1 or better yet 7.1 as well, para dun sa servo option ng barrel recoil saka elevation. Pero tignan ko, I'll see if there's a way to make a barrel recoil and elevation in 7.0 or 6.0. So more to come on that one. Overall, sulit naman siya. You get what you paid for. It has a lot of potential. So if you're just starting out, kakampisa mo lang ng RC tanks, okay na okay yung Heng lang. Kasi dito ka rin matututo. This is where you learn. And you'll also appreciate the hobby. Kasi pwede rin siyang pang display if you're into scale modeling. Ito na yan. So combination siya ng RC and scale modeling. And maganda rin mag-collect ng iba-ibang tanks, iba-ibang era. Ganun. Yan lang. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.